I'm John Champion, and providing analysis alongside me is our expert Jim Beglin.
Yeah, thanks John. Well, we have great expectation here today for both sets of players. I mean, this match really promises something good.
The teams then, Real Madrid against Bayern Munich. These are the lineups. So, here we go then. Robin. And here's Robin. Look at him go! He takes the opportunity to shoot. He created a great chance there.
I think there's always that danger that the defence can get exploited in that way. That must have served as a real wake-up call to them.
Here's Benzema. Schweinsteiger. Robin. The ball's with Toni Kroos. Here's Schweinsteiger. Mario Götze. Nicely worked. Bale. And now the counter-attack. Now Cristiano Ronaldo. Opportunity for a goal. That was a super ball in.
And there's no doubt about that. That ball through was class, and it really warranted a finish to match.
Benzema. Xabi Alonso. Here's Toni Kroos. Looking towards the penalty area now. It's through.
Well, they need a lot more urgency in that area.
Onside. Takes a shot. It's in. And it's Real Madrid who strike first. It is scintillating to watch.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
So we start again at 1-0.
Look, we know they're in control now, but they can't let their concentration drop, not one bit.
Mario Götze, now Toni Kroos. An illegal challenge, says the ref. Khedira, got it. The linesman's kept his flag down. No, it was cut out. Schweinsteiger. Here's Robin. They've got another throw-in. They're breaking out quickly here.
Well, it's a sharper cutting edge they need in front of goal.
It's come through to him. Could be a chance now. It's led to a goal. It's a comfortable lead now, 2 goals. That was a teasing finish.
Well, although the keeper looked an imposing figure then, he remained totally unfazed and took the chance with great ease.
Now it's 2-0.
Yeah, we've seen it before that 1-0 can be a fragile scoreline, but now that they have that extra cushion, 2 should be enough.
He's looking to play it into the channel. That cross only inches away from being a very good one. The ball is with Khedira. Bale. 2 assists to his name so far. And Lahm plays this forward. Lahm. The ball's with Toni Kroos. Benzema. And we've had 30 minutes of this first period. Can he now find a finish? And the danger cleared away. Oh, that was a fine solo effort.
Oh, that's just lovely skill. He's certainly a player who can single-handedly make a difference. Great talent.
These misses could be costly.
Well, listen, for effort, I think they have to get 10 out of 10, but their accuracy is poor, and they should be making more of these great opportunities.
Bale. Xabi Alonso, whose goal-scoring skills have already been seen. Mario Götze. Here is Mandzukic. This could be interesting. A chance. He connects, and it's in! The deficit just down to 1 now.
Well, it's so rare to see that kind of ability in the modern game. I'm just delighted it ended in a goal. Great stuff.
A fine goal, a real delight to watch. They kick off only 1 ahead now.
Well, it was important they didn't get ahead of themselves and lose their discipline. This game plan could now well reward them with an equaliser.
He's onside. He stayed up for this pass. Goal! 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair. That goal oozed quality.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They now lead by 2.
Well, they've got themselves into such a good position now with a 2-goal cushion. I wouldn't like to be in their dressing room if they let this one slip.
Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Now Cristiano Ronaldo, and a goal! They've added another in a matter of minutes. And he owes a debt of thanks to his teammate with that perfect pass.
It was the through ball that created the chance, but there was still a lot of work to do for him, and he did it with aplomb.
He's got 2 in this game, he's on a hat-trick. They get us underway, now 3 goals behind. Now Jerome Boateng. Toni Kroos. Modric. They're off on the counter. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's opened up nicely for him. Tries again. That's probably caused a few sighs. And there is half-time.
In my opinion, they're totally in control of this game, and they'll want to continue the second half in the same manner as they finished the first.
So 3 goals separate the sides. I wonder what the final score's going to be. Away we go in the second half then, as they look to try to kill the game off. Real Madrid against Bayern Munich. Long ball over the top. Khedira. Di Maria wants to get this forward. He's got in. Sloppy pass, intercepted. And Robin. Sends it to the middle. It's a corner. It could have been worse. Here's a ball in. A volley. It's on for him. Great chance for the counter. And he can't find anyone. He's latched onto it. Xabi Alonso. And it's just veered off to the left.
Well, he was in such a great position in front of goal, and you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
It's come through to him nicely.
If the support had come quicker, that wouldn't have broken down.
Here's Robin. Oh, that's wonderful skill. Bale. Chance for a counter then. Bale. Pizarro. Now through to Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. That's a corner kick for Real Madrid. A ball in. Now Khedira. Bad challenge there. Free kick given. And Real Madrid with a set piece. It's that familiar gunslinger pose again. What can Cristiano Ronaldo do from this free kick? And that's gone over.
He's a confident lad, but I'm sure a shot from that far out wasn't the best option.
That'll be a throw-in. Here's Lahm. He plays it through. Cut out in a promising position. Pizarro.
But just how wasteful was that?
Here's Modric. Plays this forward. Here's Jerome Boateng. Here's Robin. Xabi Alonso on the ball. Khedira. And he's offside, the flag is up. Wants to get this forward. Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. Here's Khedira. Xabi Alonso. The ball's with Cristiano Ronaldo. From distance, it lacked accuracy.
Okay, they've got nothing to show for it, but that was a really incisive counter-attack, and it's hard to defend against that type of breakaway.
Just straight offside then, free kick to the opposition. He's got in. Bale. It's on for him. Cristiano Ronaldo. It had the range, but not the accuracy.
That's a pretty powerful effort, because he really got hold of that one, but he's not going to trouble the keeper from there.
The ball's with Javi Martinez. Here's Ribéry. Now the chance! And Modric, good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Robin. Tried to play it through, and he'll shoot! Keeper got his hand to it.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Hits a ball in. It's a poor clearance. Modric. Full-time whistle within sight. Got it. Xabi Alonso. From distance, it lacked accuracy. Here's Di Maria. Xabi Alonso. Xabi Alonso. Wasn't the best of finishes. The ball's with Müller. Mario Götze. They're breaking out quickly here. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. Plenty of positives to take away from this game, I think, especially from the performance of the strikers. We saw some finishing of the very highest order. And with that, it's time for me to thank my co-commentator Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.